One interesting thing I saw when I was reading a bit on this was that it's totally random, but the company that started this whole automated robot thing,
Roomba.
yeah, well they were called iRobot.
They rebranded to Roomba. Oh,
they
bought.
They made the Roomba.
Oh, the Roomba is a product. Okay.
But so they created this whole category, new category, I think like 15, 20 years ago. But the Chinese have been so good, you know. Xiaomi, there was I think mentioned Rock Robot or Rock or something. They got so good that they dominated the global market to the extent that these iRobot guys went into financial distress and they were bought out.
By a Chinese company.
I don't know if they bought but yeah, that was one interesting thing that I saw.
But crazy thing is, the reviews on these things are not that glowing. On these robots, right? The cleaning robots. Yeah, then they're like, well.
And you know, options to do it myself.
Yeah,
I buy it.
Yeah, but
if I could do
it's
it myself,
not doing a
I
good
would
job.
do a better job by far.
Yeah, that's what they say. Yeah, it's not a great job. It's better than it not being there, but you know, sometimes it's tripped up by the silliest of things. You're like, it failed to navigate this.
Yeah.
Yes, they're improving, you know, year by year, but yeah, they and now it's not a problem here. We don't really have stairs in our homes, the majority of us. Yeah. But over there, they now have, you know, some that can scale stairs. They're being shown off, man. So they're like, yeah, because I need to be able to, I need to be there to then say, well, no, you've done downstairs. So now, because it can't scale the stairs on its own.
But they're improving.
They are improving.
It's still better than me not having these things.
Yeah.
And when I come back home at night, I would very much rather lift this robot and put it in a different room.
Yeah.
And then sit and watch TV or do whatever it is that I do when I get home.
Yeah.
Than do it myself.
Yeah. So I guess that is part of it as well, because I distinctly remember having conversations with a few people some years back about washing machines. And they were like, so there was that perception which it doesn't do a good job. Dude, at the end of the day, I'm still going to have to do this. So if it's not doing the job 100% and I'm still needed, then why do I even need this? So there were those things.
There are those things. In fact, honestly, because I was spend the times that made that we can do this. This machine can do this. But then we did get someone to help with other things.
Oh, okay.
Still watches because we have a machine for this. And then Chozo fan. And then you just don't do anything about it. So it's just there.
Jungle
in the house. And you're like, what's the cost of the place in that thing? $300. And you never had to do it.
That's a joke.
Then it comes from your cost of labor.
Yeah.
Your labor and also the labor of
the
hired, that you can employ.
The hired hand.
So, man, we can close this. Are you using these machines yourself? I'd imagine Mabachura would be the candidate for some automated vacuum cleaners and stuff, and even washing machines.
Yeah.
But are they, again, our view of this could be what we are seeing, and yet maybe these things are starting to be popular locally. Are you using them? At what point is it a price thing for you? At what point would you say, you know what, when that relative is coming back from the UK or the US for holiday, I will ask them to bring this thing if it's not available locally in Zim. At what point does it make sense for you And if you're not, like, why not? Why are you not using them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But one thing you said exposed, how we collectively look at these things.
Yeah.
When you said, Mabachura are probably the target market.
Every day, millions of moments travel through the air. A call home, a payment made, a lesson learned, a life saved. But behind each moment is something steady, something quiet, unseen, unshaken, powering connection, supporting lives. This is Econet Infraco, Zimbabwe's largest private infrastructure group, comprising towers, power, and real estate. We build and operate the essential systems that hold the country together with scale, certainty, and purpose. We bring together 3 powerful engines of progress under one roof. Towers that carry the signal, clean energy that keeps it alive, and foundations that hold it all in one place. Because behind every connection, every transaction, every step forward, there's a quiet force. Econet Infraco, built for resilience, designed for growth.
I think so.
So Cannavaro, what changes? They married a washing machine.
No, not really. There's just more work because of the kids. So usually they have enough work for them to recruit a maid. So they've enough work. That's how I look at it. Not cultivar or a washing machine. No, because women work.
Yeah.
So that's the reality now. Like in a household, both men and women are working.
Yeah.
But sort of like incentive go need an actual human being to watch them during the day, and therefore
they'll do this as well.
Whereas with the bachelor, they live home and that's it. So in evil.
But one of the arguments I've heard before, is could see even for families, you want to invest in these machines, because the problem is when the maid has to do all these things, they have all these chores, they will neglect your child until it's time, until the time you come back home. Because they're like, I have a lot of stuff to do. So, because I remember, my little brother when I was a kid. So we had a neighbor who took a photo of my brother to show my mother. This is what your kid looks like during the afternoons when you're at work. Because kid had one shoe, so we still have the pic at home. One shoe, and I think in his Pampers. Nepi then Nepi and so Nepi so Shena and everything, and kid he's playing with his big brother and his friends, and and they're like, this is what your kid looks like when you're at work. But now it's not like the maid is sitting. She's busy with washing, she's busy cleaning, she's doing all these other things, she's tending to the garden, she's doing a lot of things. Then they're like, so I think even for families, if you invest in some of these things and the maid's attention is all on the kids, then all those cases of the horror stories of maids mistreating kids and everything, maybe you could help minimize the chance of that happening.
Operating these machines,
instead
of them being the machine.
It is something.
I know a lot of people where the house help is like 3 or 4 people. This other work.
That way your kids are not neglected. But I hate butler, the chef, because they're the chef as well, the maids.
Yes, they are the chef as well.
So muda kusvika chikafu chakaibva, muda kusvika hembe dzakachena, mumba makachena, mwana akafidwa, mwana aita homework, mwana dude,
On $60.
all this on $60.
All right, man. Let's close this.
Let's
man.
close it.
Love to hear from you. So please do tell us your thoughts on all this, what you're experiencing, and yeah.